Hello guys, this is Gayatri Negi and I'm an intern at Lexison company and you're watching Lex Click. In the previous video I talked about the importance of arbitration, and in this video I will talk about various types of ADR methods. Firstly is arbitration. Arbitration is a dispute resolution process which is governed by the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. Parties to the arbitration agreement and the court have the power to appoint the arbitral tribunal which will resolve the disputes between the parties. The provisions of Part 1 and Part 2 of the Arbitration Conciliation Act 1996 are applicable to the arbitration proceedings. The arbitral tribunal will pass the arbitral award, which will be binding on both parties and will be enforceable before the court, similar to a court decree. Second is conciliation. Conciliation is the process by which parties refer their disputes to a conciliator. The conciliator is appointed either by parties or by the court on behalf of the parties. Part 3 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 regulates the conciliation proceedings. The conciliator is not bound by the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 or the Evidence Act 1972. During conciliation proceedings, conciliator helps the parties to reach the final settlement by formulating the terms of settlement which they choose to adopt. Thirdly is mediation. Mediation is a process in which the mediator is required to identify the issues that have arisen between the parties and clarify any misunderstanding that may have occurred and help the parties to reach settlement. The mediator is merely under a duty to guide the settlement proceedings in order to allow the parties to reach their settlement instead of imposing his opinions upon them. Mediation is regulated under the Mediation Rule 2009. The mediator is appointed either by the parties or by the court on their behalf. The role of a mediator is more passive in the settlement of a dispute placed before him as compared to a conciliator or an arbitrator. Lastly is Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat is a state authority which is regulated by the Legal Service Authority Act 1987. It is also known as People's Court. The object of Lok Adalat is to reach a settlement between the parties based on compromise. The parties do not have to pay any court fees in the Lok Adalat, and there are no strict procedural requirements that have to be followed. The proceedings in Lok Adalat are usually presided over by retired judges or lawyers who will give their decision in the matter. The parties cannot appeal against the settlement of the Lok Adalat. Thank you so much, guys. This was all about 8 types of ADR. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.